In this video, we explain our new RT50 room thermostat. Chapter 1. Buttons. There are 5 buttons on the RT50. Mode, Menu, On, Off, Down and Up. Chapter 2. Switching on, Off. To turn off the room thermostat, touch and hold the button for 5 seconds. Chapter 3. How do I access the menu? To access the user menu, touch and hold the menu button for 5 seconds. This is followed by a total of 5 parameters that can be set. To access the expert menu, touch and hold the mode and menu buttons at the same time for 5 seconds. In total, there are 15 parameters. Chapter 4. Heating and cooling. If the heating-cooling changeover function is activated, the room thermostat receives an external signal and automatically switches from heating to cooling. To change the mode into manual, switch from HC to HCH in the expert menu. To save the settings, touch the On-Off button. If the heating-cooling manual mode is activated, the user can switch manually from heating to cooling. Chapter 5. Screen dimming. The screen brightness can be set in steps from 0 to 100%. If the screen is set to 100%, it remains permanently bright. If it is set to a lower percentage, it will go into standby mode after a few seconds and get dark. Chapter 6. Childproof lock. To protect the room thermostat from unwanted changes, the child lock can be activated, which locks all buttons. To temporarily unlock the buttons, touch the plus and minus buttons at the same time for 5 seconds. The child lock can then be deactivated manually. Chapter 7. Dew point sensor. The room thermostat can also be used with the dew point sensor. When the dew point sensor is activated, the following conditions are possible: active, dew condensation, and fault. If the status is dew condensation, cooling is interrupted and the cooling on signal flashes. If the status is fault, the output is turned off, the cooling on symbol disappears, and the cooling mode symbol flashes. Sources of error are: the dew point sensor is activated but not connected. Sensor break, short circuit. Chapter 8. Connection situations. 1 is the neutral conductor. 2 is the phase. 3 is the thermoelectric actuator or load. 5 is the neutral conductor for the load. 4 is an optional connection for an external signal, such as a heat pump for automatic switching between heating and cooling mode. 6 and 7 are for the dew point sensor. This is optional.